Calls are growing louder now from lawmakers on both sides of the aisle for the state to strip Governor Cuomo of his executive powers for his handling of nursing home deaths caused by COVID-19. At least 15 state lawmakers from Western New York now want to see this happen, and they include 5 Democrats who have broken with party ranks and every Republican state senator and assembly member from our area. As 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ali Tui shows us tonight, the governor made his first public comments today since the New York Post reported that his administration hid death numbers from the federal government.
A void of information caused misinformation and conspiracy theories about how the state handled COVID-19 in nursing homes. That's according to Governor Andrew Cuomo, who admitted fault, but stopped short of apologizing as he detailed today the state's response during the pandemic. Cuomo outlined what he calls the facts related to COVID deaths of nursing home patients. He says COVID was already in nursing homes. According to Cuomo, the March 25th state memo directing hospitals to send COVID patients back to nursing homes didn't further the spread in nursing homes themselves. He also says deaths were fully, publicly, and accurately reported. But a report by the New York Attorney General found the state may have undercounted COVID-19 deaths among nursing home residents by thousands. And just last week, Cuomo's top aide, Melissa DeRosa, told Democratic lawmakers that his administration took months to release data on the coronavirus death toll among nursing home residents because officials, quote, froze over worries the information was, quote, going to be used against us. Still, the governor says the state did all it could to protect nursing home residents.
These are the facts. Everything that could have been done was done. You can't say to a person who lost a loved one, or you can say it if it's true, but, well, maybe something else could have been done. That's a cruel torture, especially when it's not true.
No one's trying to get somebody here. What we're trying to get is accountability. And I think that's a wholly legitimate thing for legislators, for families, for law enforcement. Those are reasonable things that people ought to try to get to the bottom of this. And if the governor's not going to be forthcoming with information, we ought to force his hand.
Bottom line, Assembly Minority Leader Will Barclay says more information is needed, and he's calling for a special session to discuss everything nursing home related and the governor's current emergency powers, which allow him to make executive decisions without legislative approval. No word, though, if Speaker Heastie is calling a special session this week. Ali Tui, 7 Eyewitness News.